2025 has brought smartphones that are smarter, faster, and more powerful than ever. Imagine devices that can anticipate your needs, help you capture life in stunning detail, and make your everyday tasks easier. Today, we're exploring the 3 best smartphones of 2025, the iPhone 17 series, Google Pixel 10 series, and Samsung Galaxy S25 series. Let's dive in. First up, the iPhone 17 series, powered by Apple's A19 Pro chip. This phone delivers incredible speed for gaming, video editing, and heavy multitasking without lag. The camera system is a game-changer. Triple for 8MP Fusion rear cameras capture life in amazing detail, while the new dual capture feature lets you record from front and back cameras at the same time. AI-powered photography automatically enhances shots, detects scenes, and optimizes lighting for perfect pictures. Running iOS 26, the iPhone 17 ensures smooth performance, better connectivity, and longer battery efficiency with its elegant design in deep blue, cosmic orange, and silver. This phone is both powerful and stylish. Best for those who want the fastest performance and premium design with AI-enhanced photography and dual capture for professional-level photos and videos. Next, the Google Pixel 10 series. Powered by Google's Tensor G5 chip, this phone brings AI to the center of your daily life. Its triple-lens camera includes a 4.8MP main sensor with 5 optical zoom, capturing stunning photos in any condition. But the real magic is AI. Gemini AI integration automates tasks, manages your smart home, suggests quick replies, and even predicts your daily needs. The Pixel 10 also guarantees 7 years of software updates, so your phone stays fast and secure for years. Sleek, durable, and intelligent. The Pixel 10 is perfect for anyone who wants a phone that's truly smart and future-ready. Best for users who value AI intelligence, smart automation, and long-term software support, with a powerful camera that excels in any condition. Finally, the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. Built with the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, it delivers unmatched performance for gaming, streaming, and multitasking. Its 200MP main camera produces stunning, high-resolution images, and AI-powered Galaxy enhancements automatically optimize your photos and videos. Galaxy AI also personalizes your experience, suggests app shortcuts, and helps manage your device efficiently. The S25 Edge is the thinnest Galaxy ever at 5.8mm, combining style with performance. One UI 7 ensures smooth navigation, high customization, and smart AI features for daily convenience. Best for tech enthusiasts and gamers who need extreme performance, AI-powered personalization, and the most advanced camera for ultra-clear, high-resolution photos. So, which smartphone is the ultimate choice in 2025? If you want unmatched speed, style, and AI-enhanced photography, go with iPhone 17. For futuristic AI features, smart automation, and long-term software support, the Google Pixel 10 is unbeatable. And for extreme performance, AI-powered personalization, and best-in-class photography, Samsung Galaxy S25 takes the crown. No matter which you choose, these phones redefine what a smartphone can do in 2025. Which one fits your style and needs? Comment below and tell us.